My friends, buying land in Nigeria is like choosing a jollof rice at a wedding buffet. Everyone is shouting, this one is the best. But if you don't know what you're looking for, you might end up with a rice that's been sitting there since morning. Cold, hard, and nobody wants it. I see people buying land because their neighbor's cousin said land is a good investment. Next thing, they buy swarm land where even the frogs pack their bags and relocate. Today, I'm going to show you the real facts about Nigeria's real estate. Not stories, not rumors, actual numbers, actual prices, and actual returns. Nigeria has a housing shortage of 28 million homes. That is like saying every person in Ghana needs a house, but twice. Nigeria only builds 100,000 houses per year, but we need 700,000. That's a big opportunity for smart investors like you. I'm Engineer Abdirahim Mohamed, and for the next 5 to 10 minutes, I'll give you a complete guide to Nigeria's real estate investment. We'll talk real prices, real returns, and real opportunities. No sugarcoating, no fake promises, just facts that will help you build wealth the smart way. Number 1, Lagos, the money-making machine. Lagos is like that friend who never sleeps. Always busy, always making money, always stuck on traffic. But here's why smart investors love Lagos. Over 20 million people by 2030. That is more people than Australia. Contributes 30% to Nigeria's entire GDP. Average rental income, 8.86 million naira per year. Let me break down the real numbers for you. Ebeju Lekki, the golden child. Land prices, 8 to 35 million naira per plot. Annual growth, 18 to 25%. Why? Dungete Refinery and Lekki Deep Sea Port. Some areas saw 300% price increase since refinery started. Lekki Phase 1, the established winner. Land prices, 120 to 200 million naira per plot. Annual growth, 12 to 18%. Fun fact, in 2005, plots here costed 10 to 15 million naira. Today, over 400 million naira. Aja and Sango Tedo, sweet spot. Land prices 25 to 60 million naira per plot. Annual growth 15 to 22%. Perfect for middle class investing. Ekpe, the rising star. Land prices 2 to 12 million per plot. Annual growth 20 to 30%. Highest in Lagos. Why? 4th mainland bridge coming soon. Lagos challenges high entry cost, not for small budgets. Land grabbers budget 200,000 to 2 million naira for settlement. Traffic everywhere. Your tenants might spend 3 hours coming home. Lagos Solutions. Always verify documents at Lagos State Land Registry. Work with reputable developers only. Consider emerging areas like Ekpe for better entry prices. Lagos investment tip. If you have 10 million naira, don't buy in Victoria Island. Buy 3 plots in Ekpe and watch them multiply like rabbits. Number 2, Abuja, the government's favorite child. Abuja is like that well-behaved child who always gets good grades, clean, organized, and parents love showing it off. Why Abuja makes sense. Nigeria's capital city, government workers need houses. Average rental income, 5.78 million naira per year. Property prices have tripled in some areas over 10 years. More stable than Lagos, less chaos, more class. Prime areas, Asokoro, Maitama for big money investors. 500 billion naira for land. Jabi, Gawarimba, the middle class heaven. 50 million to 150 million naira for land. Gwagwalada, the smart money choice. 4 million to 6.5 million per plot. Why Gwagwalada is special? Close to University of Abuja, students need housing, new airport road development, government is building infrastructure, land prices still affordable for regular people. Abuja's challenges, slower appreciation than Lagos, fewer job opportunities outside government. Can be boring to some, no beaches, no nightlife like Lagos. Abuja's solutions, focus on areas with universities or government offices. Buy near major roads and infrastructure projects. Think long term. Abuja rewards patient investors. Abuja's investment tip. Government workers get paid every month. They make reliable tenants. Buy a 3-bedroom house in Gawarimba. Rent it out for 3 to 4 million per year and sleep well at night. Number 3, Port Harcourt, the oil money city. Port Harcourt is like the uncle who always works in oil company. Always has money, drives big car, but sometimes the money comes and goes. Why Port Harcourt works? Oil and gas headquarters for Nigeria. Average rental income 2.83 million naira per year. International companies need housing for expatriate workers. High rental yield, oil workers pay well. Hot zones, all GRA, premium location, premium prices. Trans Amadi International Area, good for commercial property. Peter Odili Road, growing residential corridor. The oil worker advantage. Shell, Total, Chevron workers earn in dollars. They pay rent in advance, sometimes 2 years. Short stay accommodations like Airbnb, very profitable. Service apartments can earn you 500,000 plus naira per month. Port Harcourt challenges. Security concerns in some areas. Oil prices affect the economy. Environmental issues for oil activity. Port Harcourt solutions. Invest in gated estates with good security. Focus on areas with expatriate workers. Diversify. Don't put all money in one pot. Port Harcourt investment tip. Buy a 4-bedroom duplex in a secure estate. Furnish it well and rent it to oil company executives. They pay well, 8 to 12 million naira per year without arguing. Number 4, Ibadan, the sleeping giant. Ibadan is like that quiet student in class who suddenly becomes a millionaire. Nobody saw it coming, but the signs were there. Why Ibadan is waking up? Average rental income 1.21 million naira per year. Most affordable. Land appreciation up to 80% between 2020 to 2020. Lagos Ibadan Railway makes commuting easy. 15% annual land appreciation due to urban expansion. Growth areas. Monia along the railway line. Akobo expanding residential areas. Alakia close to major roads. Elebu new state development. The Lagos connection. 2-hour train ride to Lagos. Many Lagos workers move to Ibadan for cheaper living. Land costs 70% less than Lagos. Same quality of life, fraction of the cost. University power. University of Ibadan, oldest university in Nigeria. Thousands of students need accommodation. Student housing always in demand. Parents prefer safe, clean environments. Ibadan challenges. Slower growth than Lagos and Abuja. Limited job opportunities. Some areas lack modern infrastructure. Ibadan solutions. Buy near railway stations. Focus on university areas for student housing. Choose locations with good road access. Ibadan investment tip. 10 million naira in Ibadan can buy you what 50 million naira buys you in Lagos. Buy 5 plots. Develop 2. Keep 3 for future. In 10 years, thank me. Number 5. The rising stars. Secondary cities. These cities are like young musicians. Not famous yet, but the talent is there. Smart people invest in them before they become superstars. Uyo, Akwa Ibom State, a clean city, one of Nigeria's cleanest, best planned cities. Government investing heavily in infrastructure. Tourism potential with beautiful beaches. Land is still affordable, perfect in retirement homes and vacation properties. Enugu, the coal city reborn. Stable government, good land policies. University town with steady rental demand. Civil servants and retirees love it here. Property prices 60% lower than Abuja. Growing tech and business hub. Benin City, Edo State, a cultural capital. Rich cultural heritage attracts tourism. Diaspora Nigerians investing heavily. Strategic location between Lagos and Abuja. Land prices rising due to infrastructure development. Kano, the northern commercial hub. Largest city in Nigeria. Major trading center for West Africa. Growing middle class needs modern housing. Government supports urban development. Asaba, Delta State, the bridge city. Second Niger Bridge opening soon. Strategic location connecting east and west. Oil money from Delta State. Land prices rising rapidly. Secondary city challenges. Lower infrastructure development, limited job opportunities, lower rental yield initially. Secondary city solutions. Buy early before major developments. Focus on government and university areas. Think 5 to 10 year investment horizon. Secondary cities investment tip. 5 million naira can buy you a prime location in these cities. In Lagos, 5 million naira might buy you a parking space. Number 6, infrastructure game changers. Infrastructure is a good road to your village. Once they build it, everything changes. Dangote Refinery impact, world's largest single train refinery. Land prices near refinery increased 300%, creating 100,000 plus jobs. Ibadan Lekki becoming industrial hub. Lekki Deep Sea Port, West Africa's largest deep sea port, handling 2.5 million containers annually. Ibadan Lekki land price up 15% already. Commercial real estate boom. Lagos Ibadan Railway, 2-hour journey between cities. Property demand rising along the road. Ibadan becoming Lagos suburb. Smart investors buy near station. Second Niger Bridge, connecting Asaba and Onitsha, reducing travel time significantly. Asaba property rising faster, opening new investment corridors. Fourth mainland bridge planned will connect Lagos Island to mainland. Ekpe and surrounding areas will benefit. Early investors positioning now, expecting a boost property value of 200% plus. Infrastructure investment tip. Follow the government's projects where they build roads, bridges, airports. Property values follow like bees time. Number 7, Diaspora special advice. My brothers and sisters abroad, this one is for you. Stop sending money blindly, invest smartly. Common diaspora mistakes: sending money without proper verification, trusting family members without documentation, buying in remote areas without infrastructure, not understanding local market dynamics. Smart diaspora strategies: work with verified licensed real estate companies, demand video calls and site visits, use escrow services for payments, get proper legal documentation. Best diaspora investment cities. Number 1, Lagos, highest returns, highest risk. Number 2, Abuja, stable government pact. Number 3, Port Harcourt, oil money, good yields. Number 4, Ibadan, affordable entry, growing fast. Currency advantage: dollar, pound, euro goes far in Nigeria. $50,000 can buy you a prime location in emerging areas. Rental income in Naira for property appreciation faster than inflation. Diaspora investment tip: don't try to build mansion first. Buy land in good location. Hold it for 3 to 5 years, then develop. Your money will multiply while you sleep. My friends, let me tell you something important. Real estate in Nigeria is not just about buying land. It's about buying your family future. It's about creating wealth that your children will thank you for. Here's what we've learned today. For big budget, 50 million plus Naira. Lagos Lekki Phase 1 or Akeyi for prestige. Abuja, Maitama or Asokoro for stability. Port Harcourt, GRA for oil money. For medium budgets, 10 million to 50 million Naira. Lagos Aja and Sanko Tedo for growth. Abuja, Kawarimba for steady returns. Ibadan prime areas for value. For small budgets, 2 to 10 million Naira. Lagos Ekpe for highest growth potential. Abuja, Gwagwalada for government packing. And secondary cities for early entry. Remember the golden rules. Number 1, location, location, location. Buy where people want to live. Number 2, infrastructure follows money. Invest near government projects. Number 3, documentation is king. No proper papers, no deal. Number 4, think long term. Real estate rewards patient investors. Number 5, diversify your risk. Don't put all your money in one basket. The numbers don't lie. Nigeria needs 28 billion houses. It only builds 100,000 per year. Population is growing by 2.5 annually. Urbanization increasing demand. This is not just an opportunity. This is a massive opportunity. Your next steps: number 1, subscribe to this channel for weekly real estate updates. Number 2, share this video with somebody who needs to see it. Number 3, start your research on the cities that match your budget. Number 4, connect with verified real estate professionals. Number 5, take action. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. Second best time is now. I'm Engineer Abdirahim Mohamed, and I believe every African deserves to own property. Not just any property, the right property in the right location at the right price. If this video helped you, show me by hitting that like button. Subscribe for more content. Comment your question below. Share with your family and friends. Because here, we don't just build houses. We build dreams, we build wealth, and we build the future of Africa, one property at a time. Remember, the land you buy today will feed your grandkids tomorrow. Choose wisely, invest smartly, and build generational wealth. See you in the next video, my friend. Keep building, keep dreaming, and keep investing in your future.